Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel or page, it depends where are you. So today I will show you how to crochet very easy sole for baby shoe. It consists of only 2 rounds, so you don't need to spend a lot of time. For this sole you need to know how to crochet double crochet stitch. And also for this project I will use stitch marker that shows us the middle of the toy. In this video can be found a chart for this sole. The length of the sole is 7 centimeters. The foundation chain is 3 centimeters. Let's get started crocheting. And for this project you need to have some tools. For this project I am using 3 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 100 meters in 100 grams. Now you can see the chart that was made by my studio. Let's crochet the sole. Make a chain of 7. I will begin from the foundation chain. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My foundation chain is ready. It consists of 7 chains. Then chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Let's crochet round 1. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over the hook. I insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 3 double crochet into this chain stitch. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Work into the each chain stitch. Make double crochet into the each chain stitch. In total it should be 5 double crochet. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Work into the chain stitch. Now I'm going to work with the last one. Make 7 double crochet. Let's count them. Now work with first 4. 1, 2, 3, continue, 4. I pull my chain stitch. Here what we have. This is the middle one I mark this stitch. It is going to be a toy in baby shoes. Now turn the work and continue working upside down. Make the next 3 double crochet into the same chain stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Well done. I stop at this point, pull the last stitch. I did 7 double crochet into this last stitch. I made 7 stitches into the 1 chain stitch, and the middle of these 7 was marked for toe part of the shoe. Actually, this is the middle of the toe part. Then I'm working with this stitch marker in each round. It will be easier for this stitch marker, and you can measure your baby shoe. Make double crochet 5 times in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have the last stitch. Make 2 double crochet into this stitch. 1 and 2. Work with the slip stitch into the 3rd chain stitch in the beginning of this round. Let's stop at this point, and you can look at my first round of the sole. In total, it consists of only 2 rounds. This is one side. Let's look at another one. The stitch marker shows you the middle of the toe part. I continue working on my sole. Let's crochet round 2. Let's crochet round 2. For this, chain 3 to bring up the yarn, as I did in the first round. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch that I did in the previous round. I made a slip stitch into. Make double crochet twice into each of next 2 stitches. 1, 2. It was the first time. Make the second time. 1 and 2. Well done. Make 7 double crochet in a row. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did 7 double crochet in a row. Then I continue working on my sole. Make double crochet twice into the each of next 5 stitches. Now I'm working with increase. Let's look. I'm working with 2 stitches that is before marker, stitch that is stitch marker, and after it. Let's count. 1, 2. I remove the stitch marker. Make double crochet twice. So I put the stitch marker into between these 2. Double crochet. So I continue working. I need to make double crochet twice into the each of next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Well done. The stitch marker shows us the middle of the toy part. I put the stitch marker between 2 stitches. Then I'm making 7 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did 7 double crochet. Then I am making double crochet twice into the each of next 2 stitches. So let's count. Make the first time 1, 2, and make the second time into the next stitch. 1, 2. I insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch. On the beginning of this round, make a slip stitch. The second round is ready. My sole for baby booty is ready. For this project I used thick yarn. This crochet baby shoe sole for beginner. And now I measure my sole. The length of the sole is 7 centimeters and 2 millimeters. All measures is given you in centimeters. The height is 4 centimeters. And if you would like to know how many chains you need to do in the foundation chain, you just need the length minus the height of the sole. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 3 centimeters. My foundation chain is 3 centimeters. It is very easy to make, so it's not difficult and you don't need special skills and a lot of time. You should measure the length of your baby and you should length minus the width or a height, and it will be the length of your foundation chain. Please use it in your projects. I hope it will be helpful. So my sole is ready. It consists of 2 rounds and the base of this sole is double crochet stitches. Also, I added a chart for this sole that created by my studio. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. It was Елена Rugal, and please write comment below the video what you will get and where you will use such sole. See you in the next video tutorials. Bye!